If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. $20,085 is where the prices are. We still have a technical target down to 18,752. Now on the daily time frame, you're about to get to the oversold department. You have three black rows, of course. So if I do remove a little bit of that line right over there, I'm just going to remove this line as well. So if you look at Bitcoin right now, this is what happened really. Let me tell you, you have of course this ascending broadening wedge. I told you it's a bearish pattern and it's looking for $20,500. So we're pretty much played out with that one. Now if you look at these three black rows, 1 2 3 red candles back to back, that's what you have right now. Okay, this is three red candles at the moment, and from these three red candles we're looking for Bitcoin to potentially continue to go even lower. Now the reason being is this was your one support here, second support here, and you've lost that support. You made a bearish closing to the downside. You're making three black rows. You're even going back for that retest. Do you see that? You went for that retest, which can actually be more visible. If I dive into the 4-hour time frame, you can see it much more clearly that this was your support that you have gone back for the retest and failed as a retest. So if you look at it that way, this was one support right over here, second support right over there, came down, lost the support, went for the retest. You can actually try to go for the retest again, get rejected and continue lower. As far as I'm concerned, yesterday I talked about 1 hour bear flag, and if I go onto the 1 hour time frame at the moment, yeah, this is what you have. A very clear bear flag to me. Now personally, there was a little bit of a pattern that was about to form here, some sort of a rounded bottom, but unfortunately you actually made a fake out and continue lower. The reason why you made a fake out is because this is still your bear flag, and if you look at that bear flag, you take the top to the bottom right over there, and you are looking for a technical target to go to this level down here, which is $18,600 or $700. And that's pretty much it for this quick update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.